Hi, I'm Robert with Jackson EMC. Since you've clicked on this video, you're interested in saving energy in your home. At Jackson EMC, we want to help you save energy and money. During this segment, I'll show you how to properly maintain your heating and cooling system. Maintaining your home's heating and cooling equipment is one way to prevent future problems, as well as unwanted costs, and there are a number of things you can do yourself. First, install a programmable thermostat and use the setback function to adjust the temperature while you're asleep or away from home to save energy. A nighttime setback of 10 degrees may save as much as 7% on your bill. Just remember, don't use the emergency heat feature to warm your house in the mornings, and avoid using the setback feature if the temperature outside is below freezing. In those situations, the energy required will actually increase your electric bill. And if you're going to be away for a while during the winter, make sure your thermostat is set above 50 degrees to avoid coming back to frozen water pipes. Also, check what's around your thermostat. The heat produced by lamps, electronics, or other appliances nearby can cause your thermostat sensor to misread the temperature and either overcool or underheat your home. For energy savings, set your thermostat to 68 degrees in the winter and 78 degrees in the summer. Lower or higher settings will increase your electric bill about 3 to 5% for every degree warmer in the winter and colder in the summer. The heat from the sun can help or hinder your system. Use the sun's heat in the winter to help warm your home. But in the summer, use blinds or curtains to keep the sun from making your system work harder to cool your home. Now here's one simple step you can do that will give you cleaner air and help your system last longer. Always change your filters regularly according to manufacturer's recommendations. Running your system with dirty filters makes it work harder and longer. And running it without a filter causes dirt to build up on the inside, reducing your system's life and increasing your operating costs. So check your system's operating instructions on how to replace filters. Start by turning your system off. Then remove the old filter and place it in a plastic bag to keep the dirt out of your home. When you're finished, you can use foil tape on the filter cabinet door to ensure a tight seal and prevent outside air from leaking into the system. Outside, you can also help maintain your system by making sure the unit is free of dirt, leaves, and debris to maintain a clear airflow. Don't install fencing or plant shrubs or trees near your outside unit. HVAC system manufacturers recommend that you have your system professionally serviced twice a year, in the spring before cooling season and in the fall before heating season. At the very minimum, you should have your system professionally serviced once a year. A thorough inspection will include things like tightening all electrical connections, lubricating moving parts, checking all controls, cleaning and adjusting blower components, and checking refrigerant and adjusting it if necessary. You might also consider having an HVAC professional install a T-vent on your condensate line, which will let you avoid maintenance problems by periodically flushing the line with diluted bleach. Occasionally, HVAC systems have problems that just aren't easy to spot with the naked eye. Issues related to sealing or duct size, for instance, that can affect your comfort and your electric bill. A home's heating and air conditioning ducts can leak about 25% of the air that passes through them because they aren't properly sealed. There's no better way to find those problems than a home performance with Energy Star audit. This audit uses the latest technology to measure supply and return airflows, air infiltration, insulation, and your entire system's performance, producing a notebook of results and prioritized recommendations. When you make the recommended improvements, we'll come out and retest your home so you can qualify for Jackson EMC's lowest residential rate. While there is a charge for a home performance with Energy Star audit, Jackson EMC members are eligible for rebates that offset a portion of the cost. Now, if your HVAC system is 10 years or older, you should begin planning on a replacement. Don't wait for a breakdown when it's really hot or really cold and you need your system the most, because this isn't a decision you want to make in a hurry. For maximum energy savings, replace your system with an Energy Star qualified heat pump. Replacing an older heating and air system with a new high-efficiency electric heat pump can reduce your heating bills by as much as half. You should select a heat pump with a high seasonal energy efficiency ratio, or SEER rating. The higher the rating, the lower the operating cost. Energy Guide labels with SEER ratings are posted on all air conditioners and heat pumps. Also, check the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, HSPF, on the replacement heat pump. HSPF is the ratio of the total heat provided during the heating season to the total energy consumed by the heat pump. The higher the HSPF, the more efficient it is. You should make sure your system is properly sized for your home's heating and cooling needs. Also, check to see if your home needs ductwork or airflow improvements. Once again, the best way to do this is to call Jackson EMC and schedule your home performance with Energy Star audit today.